Alright, so we're gonna do a simple stir fry rice just using spam, eggs and overnight rice. Okay, so obviously the rice needs to be kept in the fridge. Take it out. 3 eggs, garlic, light soy sauce. In this case we are using the Amoy brand pan fried sweet soy sauce. For flavor we're just going to be using Norse chicken stock powder and salt. Okay, and now we just need to prepare it. Alright, so cut the garlic on the ends and just flatten it with the side of the knife, peel off the skin. Very simple. Oh my god. And then cut it in half. Just remove that stem in the middle. That's what gives you heart palpitations. Okay, so remove it and just start chopping it up. Just 2 small pieces. Like so. So just do it with the rest of the garlic cloves, and yeah. And now we're just gonna cut up the spam. Oh yeah, make sure you wash your hands. And really can use any kind of meat you want. I'm just being lazy, so I'm just gonna use spam. You can cut it smaller pieces so they're more manageable to handle, and you know, nobody wants to eat big pieces of spam. This will probably be enough for 3 to 4 people. Okay, just see you in the next part. Okay, now we need to prepare the eggs. So 3 to 4 people, you probably need about 2 to 3 eggs. And just put a bit of salt. I find that it's probably too much salt. Anyway, so you want to put like half a teaspoon of salt. Okay? And just stir it up. Stir it up good, maybe like half stir. Anyways, like this. Yeah, a bit good. Okay, so that's that. So we've got garlic, spam, lots of spam, and egg ready. And now we just need to put a bit of oil in the rice and just go ahead and mash it up so it's not so clumpy when you're throwing it in the wok to cook. And make sure you heat up your wok. Put a bit of oil, because there'll be lots of oil coming out from the spam. So just a bit of oil there, okay? So see you in the next part. Yeah, so just get hands and get it dirty and just loosen the grains of rice. Alright, so here's the plan. I'm going to throw in a bit of oil. Then I'm going to throw in the garlic and quickly throw in the spam, followed by the eggs. Cook a bit, mash it up. I don't need the eggs to be too dry, overcooked, because I like it a bit moist. And then finally toss in the rice. So I've already mashed it up. It's been in the fridge for a few days, so it's a bit hard and a bit icy. So you see how we go. I don't think you'll be able to hear me when the fan turns on, so that's why I'm saying all this in advance. And then I'll top it off with just probably not enough. I put too much salt in the egg, so probably throw in a bit of the soy sauce and the chicken stock powder. Just about maybe half a teaspoon, and that's also a teaspoon as well. And yeah. frying garlic. It gets brown very quickly. Throw in the spam. It's easier if you use a non-stick wok. Alright, it's been a few minutes now and the spam looks a bit cooked, so I'm going to throw in the egg now. Use wooden or plastic spatulas on a non-stick wok, and the eggs will cook very fast. So if you want it a bit moist, don't let it. Better throw in the rice quicker. I think I used too much rice. So everything's stirred up nicely, so just the final touches is adding the sauce and chicken stock to your taste. If you want it more salty, more stuff. If not, just put a bit less of it. And yeah. And there you go, spam and egg fried rice. And now we just get a out of 5-star rating from Judge B. So Judge B, just give me a number out of 5. A 3 out of 5. So there you go, try it. Okay, see you in the next video. Sayonara.